I'm here to present data that are the results of clinical and preclinical studies conducted in Milan and globally in collaboration with centers throughout the world. And in particular, I'm presenting data concerning the activity of a new molecule, a new compound, a new drug that is Entrectinib. Entrectinib was was synthesized in Italy years ago, and it was synthesized as a drug capable of inhibiting kinases coded by fusion genes of oncogenes that are TRK-1, 2, 3, and also ALK and ROS, and in particular fusion genes translocated on with other promiscuous genes that are a variety of other genes. What is important is that these genetic alterations that are fusions proteins and fusion translocations are oncogenic drivers of a variety of cancers of all histologies, including carcinomas, sarcomas, and also neurological tumors. In particular, at this meeting, we will present data concerning GI, gastrointestinal cancers, and a series of patients comprising colorectal cancers, cholangiocarcinoma, and pancreatic adenocarcinomas. In this series of patients, there are rare patients, but still patients who can have benefit from this orally given drug that has a very, very limited spectrum of side effects. The benefit is sizable because individual patients can have a partial remission thanks to the drug that is lasting months after its administration. In this series of GI gastrointestinal cancers, we have not observed central nervous system dissemination or presence of CNS disease at the onset or at the start of the treatment with Entrectinib. Nevertheless, we know from data mutuated from lung cancer that this is a very active drug also in the CNS, in the central nervous system, so that we believe that clinical efficacy takes advantage also of the CNS penetration of this drug. Overall, we are very happy with these results because these results broad the therapeutic armamentarium for gastrointestinal cancers such as cholangiocarcinoma or pancreatic cancer, in which and also colorectal cancer, in which after failure of standard therapies, the therapeutic armamentarium is very, very weak. Yes, toxicities were limited to grade 2 and 3 toxicity, and they were always reversible. There are very few grade 4 toxicity. They are mainly grade 4 biochemical toxicity without any clinical impact. Basically, the patient does not really realize there is any toxicity. So it's the therapeutic index of Entrectinib is very good.